not the best season. Surf almost every day, and this is my honest experience. I went in February, which is not the best season. You can still surf, but it's a mix. Some days are clean, some days are a bit messy. From what I learned, the best time to come is September to November. The wave is more consistency. Is Da Nang good for surfing? I would say yes. It depends on what you're looking for. If you want powerful, consistent waves every day, it might not be the best choice. But if you want easy wave, a relaxed atmosphere, and affordable place to surf,